Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Kawasaki KLX230 Sherpa S ABS, a lightweight, go-anywhere dual sport bike built for adventure, agility, and everyday versatility. At the heart of the KLX230 Sherpa S is a rugged 233 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke, air-cooled, SOHC single-cylinder engine, designed for low-maintenance reliability and smooth torque delivery. With a bore and stroke of 67 by 66 mm and a compression ratio of 9.4 to 1, this machine offers the perfect balance between power and control for on- and off-road fun. Mated to a 6-speed transmission with chain final drive, this bike gives you the control you need, whether you're crawling up rocky terrain or cruising through the city. A wet, multi-plate clutch ensures smooth engagement, while Kawasaki's TCBI electronic advanced ignition system keeps power delivery sharp and efficient. Built on a tough high-tensile steel, box-section perimeter frame, the Sherpa S is rugged and stable. Up front, a 37mm telescopic fork offers up to 7.9 inches of travel, while the Unitrack linkage rear suspension with preload adjustability gives you a generous 8.8 inches of travel in its off-road spec, ready to soak up whatever the trail throws at you. Stopping power comes from pedal-style disc brakes, a 265mm disc up front and 220mm in the rear, both paired with ABS for confident, controlled braking. Rolling on 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, wrapped in 2.75-inch and 4.10-inch tires, the KLX230 Sherpa S offers exceptional traction and ground clearance, a solid 8.5 inches, to handle trail ruts, urban curbs, and everything in between. The wheelbase sits at 53.3 inches, giving you a planted, predictable ride. With a seat height of 32.5 inches, it strikes the right balance between ground reach and trail clearance, perfect for both newer riders and seasoned explorers. Fuel up with a 2.0-gallon tank and hit the trail with confidence, knowing the claimed wet weight is just 300 pounds, making this machine nimble and approachable for all-day adventures. In conclusion, the 2026 Kawasaki KLX230 Sherpa S ABS is purpose-built for riders who crave adventure, whether that's a weekend trail ride or just your daily commute with a twist of dirt. Thanks for joining. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.